Hello everyone, welcome to the demonstration of the digital mentor solution. So before we walk through on the solution itself, let me give you a brief background on why digital mentor was implemented and what was the problem that it was trying to address, right? So based on my research, I found out that onboarding in most places are quite poor, right? So in order to address, I came up with the digital mentor solution, right? So that is a brief background on the digital mentor solution. Now we will uh, walk you through on the functionality of it. So digital mentor solution can be used by three main actors. One would be the onboarded employee. The second would be the admin user, who would be a personnel of the onboarding organization, and the super admin, which will be an infrastructure personnel of the onboarding organization, which can create, delete, and edit users, right? So, without further ado, we'll go to the functionality that is given to the onboarded employee actor. So here you put the email and the password. So the create account functionality we have not included for the MVP. So these are hard-coded users. You click login here, and the and this particular screen, the dashboard will be shown to the onboarded employee. So here you have a picture of the mentor and the mentor name and your progress on the assigned pathways, right? So here there are three pathways that have been assigned to this particular users. One is 100% complete and one is pending 50% of completion, right? So that's the dashboard. And here, if you go to the your module section again, all the modules progress or the pathway progress of this particular onboarded employee will be shown here. So here you have the demo product video, which is still not completed with the continue pathway icon. The next modules in it or the next pathway, which the start pathway button and the completed pathway button here, right? So here we'll if once the once the onboarded employee clicks the continue pathway button, the onboarded employee will be taken to the content of this particular pathway. So here there is only one module and a quiz, and on the bottom of the screen you have the AI generated summary of the particular module as well. So we'll quickly go through the video here since we have very little time. We have a time constraint, so the
Training
onboard employee can view the module here.
boarded em-
Quickly go through this here. The audio and the
again if
video
you can
is
get required
consistent,
and
and you can
sysadmin
see
against
that,
the demo of the digital mentor solution.
right? So here, this sense. So once the module is completed, this icon gets automatically selected, and the onboard employee can now try the quiz, right? So once you click the quiz icon here, the quiz based on this particular module, so modules in that particular pathway will now be shown here. So this quiz is AI generated based on the viewed or the watched modules in that particular pathway, right? So there was only one module. So this quiz is being generated based upon that just one module, which contained a demo of the digital media solution. So here the user can just click the answers. Immediate feedback is given. The green color answer is the correct answer. So you go to the next question and you select the answer. Again, immediate feedback is given. You go to the next question. Um, Again, immediate answer is given. Go to the next question. Again, immediate answer is given. So all the like very coincidentally, the demo user got all the answers. So if we click an incorrect answer here, so it will show in red, and the green color answer will be the right answer. You just click submit answer and click finish queue. So finish quiz and encouragement banner will be shown here, right? So here now you can see the demo product pathway is also now in the completed stage, right? So that's the your module section, and the module library here will show all the modules that have been uploaded to the system, right? Not so here the material content is not just limited to the pathways, but all the modules this particular onboarded employee can reach. It's like a centralized location to all the available training content, right? So if the user wants to find the demo module, you just click write demo and click or give the search button or give an enter, and all the modules with the demo name will be shown here, right? So there you go, that works as well. So if the particular onboard employee wants to watch the demo pathway, just have to click on that particular pathway, right? Here, of course, you have a couple of modules and a longer quiz also, right? So I'll not go into detail. It will take some while to load. That rounds up all the functionality for the onboarded employee. Now we can go for the sorry. Then we have another very unique massive USP of the digital mentor solution, which is the AI chatbot. So here, this particular AI chatbot is trained on the uploaded content, right? So if we ask about the demo, can you explain about the demo? Now, this chatbot will give a response based on this query, right? So here, there you go. Given a chatbot, can you given a response? Can you explain about the AI chatbot? Now, further content or the response will be shown here, and all the historical chats will also be shown here, so the onboarded employee can quickly go to a chat and view it, right? So that's the Ask AI functionality. So that rounds up all the functionality, key functionalities given to the onboarded employee actor, right? So we'll quickly go to the admin user as well. Since we are running out of time, I'm rushing through this since we have a lot of functionality to cover within the 15-minute mark. Right, so here on the admin panel, you have upload material and a create pathway button, and all the created pathways will also be shown here. And through them also, you can just select the assign pathway and button and select an employee from the drop down, and then assign this particular pathway. Right, so this works as well. So and a banner which says the module pathway assigned successful will be shown here. I'll quickly upload a video as well. Demonstration, we'll give it a name, load new, and you select a path. It should be a MP4 file, and it should be under 300 MB, right? So these are the constraints for video uploading. So we gave it a name and we select the publish. And here the upload progress will be shown here with another banner. So the user doesn't have to stay until the upload is done. So the uploading happens in the background, right? So if we yeah, we can create a pathway as well. So we'll create a path to show that functionality. Demonstration pathway new. You select the specialization here. Only a project management is available at the moment. You select the level. You select a banner for this particular thing. You can go a thumbnail for this pathway. And now you can select the modules from the available um, pathways that are given. So here you go. So since this particular file upload is now done, um, yeah. So here we'll from the available modules, you can just select a module and click publish pathway here, and a banner will show the this was successful. Now we'll see whether it's actually there. Demonstration pathway. The from the search bar, the admin user can select for the created pathways. Give an enter. There you go. So actually three, or the latest one is also now being created now. So here, if you just select the assign pathway button and select an employee, the pathway will be assigned to them, right? So that's the create pathway and the upload material functionality. Now on the employee section here, all the employees and their progress can be viewed from here, right? The employee ID, the department, and the role, right? So if you quickly go to a employee here, the employee profile will be shown. Here, the progress on each of the learning pathways or assigned pathways for this particular user will be here, and further pathways assignment can be done through here as well. So here, all the available pathways will be shown. The admin user will only have to just click assign here, right? So with the pop-up, it comes as well. So here you can assign or change the mentor as well of this particular employee. We'll put a different mentor now just to show that the functionality works. And there you go. Now this mentor is also now updated. So that's the employee's functionality. You have the employee data here, and you have an option to go to the chatbot as well, where the admin user also can access the AI chatbot, right? Just in case. So now we'll go to the super admin user. Credentials are wrong. Put the right hard-coded credentials. So here, the super admin functional is quite simple. You have the number of users that uses the digital mentor solution. In order to add a user, you can simply demo add user, give it a name, give give it a password, give it an employee ID. We'll give this a different email address just in case. And then here you can select the uh, user type, super admin, employee, or mentor, right? So we'll create a mentor one here just in case. Select the role, create user, right? So now there's a small bug here. So in order for this to be refreshed, you have to reload the page. So that has to be fixed in the next version. And now you can see that particular newly created user is available now on the list. So if you want to edit it, you can click edit, edit, edit the name of this particular user. We'll select we'll give it a different type this time, and click the Save Changes option. And now that change is applied now. If you want to delete this particular user, you have to do another reload. There is a bug for the super admin functionality. You click the three icons here and click delete, and the deletion will happen, right? So that's the super admin functionality. So I'll before we wind up, I'll quickly um, right, you have to reload again. There's a bug there for the super admin functionality. So you log out. I will quickly show you that pathway addition as well for the admin panel again. We log in. Uh, Here, the particular uploaded material has to be there now. To be uploaded demo. Yeah, that's the pathway. So if you're going to create a new pathway, we'll go with another latest new. Select the specialization, select the level, select immediate panel. So that particular uploaded material is now available. You can just select it and click publish pathway, and this pathway will be published, right? Right, we might have to search for it. Demo. There you go. The newly created pathway is also now visible with the latest name and the material uploaded, right? So that rounds up the functionality for the digital mentor solution. The three key USPs would be the AI chatbot and the AI quiz generation generated based upon the uploaded content, right? So no other solution in the market has this at the moment. And the ease of use of managing that onboarding process is also another key USP. As for the technologies we have used, Next.js has been used for typeset communication in the backend API logic and as well as the front end. And TypeScript is used as the language. Prism is the database which we have used, and next auth.js is the authentication thing, and the Flask micro framework is what we have used for the Flask backend AI server. and that rounds up the basic tools and technologies that we have used, right? So with that, we will conclude the demonstration as well.